Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. Second day in Madrid. We're just getting ready to leave the apartment, but look at the weather outside already. It is absolutely beautiful. So today is the day of the Taylor Swift concert. So we're just going to get ready now, go and explore Madrid a little more and get some breakfast, and then I'll come back obviously later on, get changed, and then I'm going to stop this video and that'll be day 2 done, and then there'll be a standalone video just for the concert. Obviously I'll not be able to show any of the music or anything like that, but come along and enjoy. Let's go. Right, now we'll try and find some breakfast, but look at this. The weather is absolutely perfect. Let's go eat. Nothing hits like a Spanish coffee. Look, we just stopped here for breakfast. I'll show you the breakfast when it arrives. Pretty nice little place this. Pam's has arrived. How good does that look? Croissant, cheese, no, croissant, butter and jam. Gone for the tomato toast, tostado tomato, olive oil first, tomato on top, a little bit of salt. Having food in here. Right, I've just stumbled across the Old Town Square here. My favourite thing is the squares. But we're just looking at these little shops around the outside there. Look at that, man. Just a quick look at the square because we're not stopping. We've got a busy day today. So we're heading off now. Beautiful though. It's so nice today, nice and busy, beautiful weather. We're just enjoying Madrid until the craziness before tonight. Look at that view there, and then just to the left is Tacos, where we ate last night. It opens in 20 minutes. Could always get a little road taco. We'll have to come back. Tacos is just too good. Look at the queue already, and it's currently 8 minutes open, and look at that queue. Insane. Let's get it. And a little pineapple burrito. So this is Opera metro station, and we're staying a 2-minute, not even a 2-minute walk from here. But we're going to go back now, get changed, and then head up towards the Bernabeu for the Champions League match. No, not really, for Taylor Swift. Look, there's the Opera House there. Also, I'm going to have to switch over to the iPhone when we get back, just because you're not allowed to take GoPros inside. So here's the Opera Metro. McDonald's is just there, and we're staying just around there. Just going down toward the Palace this way, like the next street over. It's absolutely stunning. And this is the building we are staying in, that pink one. There's the Opera House. The Palace. Beautiful. What a place. Right, we're just getting ready for the concert now. So Pam's got some Taylor Swift playing and we're just getting dressed. I also picked up this hat from Madrid Primark, so I also now have a Bailey Explorer hat. Pretty sweet. I'm not wearing it for the gig though. This is what I'm wearing, this little shirt and these shorts. because it is so warm outside. Make sure I'm not too hot. Apparently the roof is closed and the aircon's on though, which is pretty sweet. But this is probably the last bit of this vlog you're going to see, and then you're going to have to switch over to the other video, which is going to be standalone, just for the concert, the experience, the travelling up. I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty excited now. I think it's going to be a pretty good day. And look at the weather. Could you ask for better weather to see Taylor Swift in another country? I don't think so. Let's go. So Pam made the Eras Tour glasses, so they're nice and sparkly. Do you see them? Just got a Taylor Swift top on and we're ready to go. There's the top. Anyway, let's head off up to the venue and we'll go now. I've got some glasses too. Right, we're waiting on the next train up to the roundabout now. This is it. He wins coolest dress of the night. It's a good job I didn't wear the same suit as that tonight. Right, we're going in now, entering 63. It's 5:28. girl here, the bottom of her cowboy boots come off. Look at how she's walking. God bless her. If I had some spare shoes, I'd offer her them. Look at that. Poor thing.
She's probably not even had a single.
I'm just going to keep recording because I know it's going to come up again. Poor lad. Look at the amount of people still coming out. Jesus. Right, we're finally back next to the apartment now. That was absolutely incredible. 3.5 hours, 47 songs or something. Amazing show. Now, get back and edit this video and get it straight live. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have enjoyed this video, click the other ones from Madrid. They'll be out in a couple of days from watching this one. So thank you. See you in the next one. Peace.